Durable and requiring minimum maintenance, PakServe's conveyors are designed to handle all types of containers, regardless of shape or material. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The conveyor's modular design means they can be used with PakServe's entire system of equipment, as well as other manufacturer systems, and can handle any container as long as it can stand of its own accord. PakServe's gating and sensor systems can all be used with the guide rails of the conveyors, and the company's filling and capping machines can all be mounted directly to the conveyor. Coming in a range of sizes, the conveyor's stainless steel frame is mounted on casters for manoeuvrability and features levelling jacks on a rubber feet, which means good traction and that height can be adjusted to suit any production line. And because the conveyors use an AC motor with a VSD controller, they can easily be put into reverse with the touch of a button. Simple. More information, pakserve.com.au. And thank you for watching.